Can you help me? Can you help me? Could you open it? Could you open it? May I sit here? May I sit here? Would you mind waiting? Would you mind waiting? Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? I need some water. I need some water. Could I have water? Could I have water? Would you help please? Would you help please? Can I use this? Can I use this? Could you speak slowly? Could you speak slowly? Please close the door. Please close the door. Would you open it? Would you open it? Could you send that? Could you send that? May I ask you? May I ask you? Could you show me? Could you show me? Would you wait here? Would you wait here? Can you hold this? Can you hold this? Could you call me? Could you call me? May I go now? May I go now? Please turn the light. Please turn the light. Would you like coffee? Would you like coffee? Could you drive me? Could you drive me? Can I see you? Can I see you? Please be very quiet. Please be very quiet.